Mount Gerizim, the holy mountain in West Bank, Palestine. Mount Gerizim, located in the West Bank near the city of Nablus, is a site of profound significance in various religious and cultural contexts. Rising to an elevation of approximately 881 meters, it is often referred to as the Holy Mountain by the Samaritans, who regard it as their most sacred site. The mountain is not only an important landmark geographically but also a focal point of historical, religious, and cultural narratives. Mount Gerizim has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. It is mentioned in various ancient texts, including the Hebrew Bible. According to the book of Deuteronomy, Mount Gerizim was designated as a site for the blessings that the Israelites would receive for their obedience to God. In contrast, nearby Mount Ebal was designated for curses. This duality emphasizes the mountain's importance in the Israelite tradition and its role in the covenant between God and his people. The historical significance of Mount Gerizim extends beyond its biblical references. In the 4th century BCE, the Samaritans, who claimed descent from the ancient Israelites, established a temple on the mountain. This temple served as a rival to the temple in Jerusalem, further solidifying Mount Gerizim's status as a religious center for the Samaritan community. The temple was destroyed by the Hasmonean king John Hyrcanus in the 2nd century BCE, marking a critical turning point in Samaritan history and their relationship with mainstream Judaism. Mount Gerizim is particularly significant for the Samaritan community. For Samaritans, it is the site where they believe God chose to establish his name, making it the true location for worship. This belief is rooted in their interpretation of the Torah, which differs from the Jewish tradition. The Samaritans maintain that their version of the Pentateuch is the authentic one, and they see Mount Gerizim as the rightful place for sacrifices and worship. The annual Passover celebration on Mount Gerizim draws Samaritans from around the world. This event is marked by the sacrifice of lambs, a ritual that has been practiced for centuries. It serves not only as a religious observance but also as a unifying event for the Samaritan community, reinforcing their cultural identity amidst a predominantly Jewish and Arab landscape. In contrast, for Jews, Mount Gerizim holds a different significance. While it is acknowledged as a biblical location, the Jewish faith centers around Jerusalem and its temple. The differences in religious beliefs between Samaritans and Jews have led to historical tensions, but both communities share a common heritage that traces back to ancient Israel. The archaeological significance of Mount Gerizim cannot be overstated. Excavations have uncovered a wealth of artifacts and structures that provide insight into the ancient cultures that inhabited the region. The remains of the Samaritan temple, although destroyed, reveal aspects of Samaritan worship and community life. Archaeologists have found altars, pottery, and inscriptions that shed light on the religious practices and social organization of the Samaritans. In addition to Samaritan artifacts, researchers have also discovered remnants from earlier periods, including evidence of Canaanite and Israelite settlements. These discoveries contribute to our understanding of the historical continuum in the region, highlighting how Mount Gerizim served as a pivotal location throughout various epochs. Mount Gerizim is more than just a religious site. It is a symbol of cultural identity for the Samaritan community. Throughout history, Samaritans have faced persecution and marginalization, particularly during periods of conflict in the region. Mount Gerizim stands as a testament to their resilience and commitment to preserving their unique traditions and beliefs. Today, the Samaritan community is small, numbering around 800 individuals. They continue to maintain their customs, including the observance of ancient rituals and the use of their version of the Torah. Mountgerizim plays a central role in their cultural life, serving as a place of pilgrimage and communal gathering. The mountain's significance is also recognized by scholars and historians who study the complexities of religious identities in the region. Mountgerizim serves as a focal point for discussions about interfaith relations, historical grievances, and the ongoing quest for religious and cultural recognition. In contemporary times, Mountgerizim faces several challenges, primarily due to the ongoing Israeli-Palestinian conflict. The geopolitical situation in the West Bank has resulted in restrictions on movement and access, affecting both the Samaritan community and the broader population. Concerns about preservation and tourism also arise, as increased visitor traffic could impact the site's integrity. Mountgerizim stands as a testament to the rich tapestry of history, religion, and culture that characterizes the region. Its significance transcends mere geography. It embodies the spiritual and communal aspirations of the Samaritan people and serves as a reminder of the complexities of religious identity. As we continue to explore and understand the multifaceted narrative surrounding Mountgerizim, we gain valuable insights into the enduring legacies of ancient civilizations and the ongoing quest for cultural preservation and interfaith harmony. In the face of modern challenges, the story of Mountgerizim remains relevant, reminding us of the importance of respect and understanding in a world often divided by differences. As such, Mountgerizim is not only a mountain. It is a symbol of faith, resilience, and the enduring human spirit.